Hello and welcome to Tashika's Pampered Paws YouTube channel, and this is our fourth video for you. So we have Juno with us. So we're going to today show you how to give your pet shower. It's the most important thing and I know a lot of people have a lot of doubts with it. So keep watching. So before we start the bath, we need to collect few things. First, we're going to collect the coconut oil. Second, the apple cider vinegar. Now these two things will mix properly and apply 1 hour before the shower so that your pet is absolutely ready. After this, we will collect the pet shampoo, an empty bottle, some water and some lemons. You must be wondering why lemons are, but we'll show you why we need it. Alright? So once you're ready, we're going to show you how to prepare the shampoo. Now it's a very interesting process, I tell you, because it's not what all pets or pet parents do. We're going to tell you how you're going to maintain your pet's pH balance. So first we take an empty bottle and then we pour some shampoo inside the bottle. The ratio has to be 3:4. So 3 portions of water and 1 portion of shampoo. So like we can see, we are applying or putting the shampoo in the empty bottle. Now we are going to take the water and fill the rest portion up. Make sure you take a Kenley water or a distilled water. Don't take your normal tap water, that can spoil the shampoo's condition, and also it has a lot of iron, can give a lot of problem. So after this is done, close the bottle. So when the shampoo is already filled, we are going to close the cap and shake the bottle properly. Make sure that the shampoo is completely mixed before you apply. After this, open the cap and apply some lemon. Now this is very interesting. Why do you apply lemon? This is because it can be a repellent to the ticks and fleas. Any pet who goes out a lot or who mixes with other dogs, this can be an excellent solution for all your pets. Take care, plus it's chemical free. So now we are ready with the shampoo to take your pet for a pet awesome bath. So there's one important step that we always forget. You know, dogs have urine infection. So how to prevent that? You can simply apply cotton balls when you give a shower so that your pet does not have urine infection. Yours feel fresh, because if water get inside the ears, it's going to be a really big trouble. It can have hematoma, you can have urine infections, you can have a lot of more disease. So now Juno is absolutely ready to get inside the tub. So Juno is already in the tub, all ready for the hot shower. So make sure every time you give your pet a bath, the water should be absolutely warm. A lot of water, a lot of fun, a lot of talking. Make sure your pet enjoys the shower. It has to be a good and happy process. So put a lot of water and then we can start with the shampoo. So now thoroughly apply the shampoo. The shampoo has to be applied nicely because usually pets have double coat or triple coats. So if you do not shampoo properly, sometimes the outer coat gets cleared but the inside coat remains dirty. So it's your duty to see that your pet is absolutely clean. Also, always give a bath in a gap of 15 to 20 days. If you bathe too much, the pH balance goes low and that can create skin rashes, more of ticks and fleas, skin infection. You can see unnecessary your dog is itching. When you go to the vet will be like your dog is fine, but your dog is having itching problem. So scrub properly, scrub your pet thoroughly, and also make sure that you scrub twice. The shampoo has to be done twice, and then you can apply a little bit of conditioner. So we'll be seeing how we do that, but until then enjoy Juno's scrubbing. So now both the shampoos are ready. So now we are going to take some conditioner. Now why conditioner is used? Basically to maintain the pH balance. They have oil in their body and the oil has to be sustained. So after the scrubbing is done, we are going to apply the conditioner all over. It has to be very soft and gentle. The dog has to enjoy the conditioning. Juno is already ready to go as leaving, But the conditioner is important, Judo. So let's condition. Little bit of massage, little bit of pampering. That's what our name says, right? Kashika's pampered paws. So yes, pampering is a must. So after conditioning is done, we're going to leave it for 2 minutes and then we can give a shower. So first we pat the dog after the shower is done so that the excess water is taken out. So you can towel dry. Make sure you pat and not rub it. Alright. After that you can use any cold dryer. Make sure your dryer is not hot and it's a cold dryer. So now use the dryer to dry your pet, and it has to be done in such a way that your pet feels comfortable and both the coats get dry. Now dry is important because a lot of time moisture stays inside coat and that can cause skin infection. So make sure your pets are absolutely dry, and if you can't dry them properly, you can always take them to a professional pet salon who is certified to do it. Alright, so after the dry is done, we're going to see how Juno looks after an amazing shower.
Juno is now ready. If you liked our videos, don't forget to like, subscribe and click on the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Take care. Bye bye.